Text 31. Ye me matamidam nityam anuttishtanti manava shraddhavanto nasuyanto muchyante tepi karmabhi. Meaning, as the Vedas are eternal, so this truth of Krishna consciousness is also eternal. One should have firm faith in this injunction without envying the Lord. They will never be liberated from the bondage of fruitive action. But an ordinary man with firm faith in the eternal injunctions of the Lord, even though unable to execute such orders, becomes liberated from the bondage of the law of karma, where he will surely be promoted to the stage of pure Krishna consciousness. Text 32. Ye tvedhadbhyasuyanto nanutishtanti me matam sarvajnana vimudhamstan vidhi nashtana chetasaha. Meaning, as there is punishment for disobedience to the order of the Supreme, so there is certainly punishment for disobedience to the order of God. A disobedient person, however great he may be, is ignorant of his own self and of the Supreme Brahman, Paramatma, and the personality of the God due to a vacant heart. Therefore, there is no hope of perfection of life for him. Text 33. Sadrisham cheshtate swasya prakrtirjnanavaanapi prakritim yanti bhutani nigraha kim karishyati. Meaning, without being fully in Krishna conscious, one should not give up his occupational duties. No one should suddenly give up his prescribed duties and become a so-called yogi or transcendentalist artificially. It is better to be situated in one's position and to try to attain Krishna consciousness under the superior training. Thus, one may be freed from the clutches of the Krishna's Maya. Text 34. Indriyasyendriyasyarthe ragadvesho vyavastithau tayornavashamagachet tauhyasya paripanthinau. Meaning, one has to follow those rules and regulations unattached to them, because practice of sense gratification under regulations may also lead one to go astray, as much as there is always the chance of an accident even on the royal road. Although they may be very carefully maintained, no one can guarantee that there will be no danger even on the safest road. In spite of regulated sense enjoyment, there is every chance of falling down. Therefore, any attachment for regulated sense enjoyment must also be avoided by all means. But attachment to Krishna conscious or acting always in the loving service of Krishna detaches one from all kinds of sensory activities. Text 35. Shreyan swadharmo vighuna paradharmat swanishtitat swadharme nithanam shreya paradharmo bhayavaha. Meaning, everyone has to cleanse his heart by a gradual process, not abruptly. However, when one transcends the modes of this material nature and is fully situated in Krishna consciousness, he can perform anything and everything under the direction of a spiritual master. For example, Vishwamitra was originally a Kshatriya, but later on he acted as a Brahmana, whereas Parashurama was a Brahmana, but later on acted as a Kshatriya. Being transcendently situated, they could do so. But as long as one is on the material platform, he must perform his duties according to the modes of material nature. At the same time, he must have a full sense of Krishna consciousness. Hare Krishna.